Topographical surveyors play a crucial role in the field of land development and construction. One such renowned topographical surveyor is Ram Puri, who has made a significant impact in his field. With years of experience and expertise, Ram Puri has become a trusted name when it comes to conducting accurate and detailed topographical surveys. His company, Scon Design, is well known for its commitment to delivering high-quality results. Ram Puri and his team at Scon Design are equipped with the latest technology and tools to ensure precise measurements and data collection during their surveys. They use advanced equipment such as total stations, DGPs receivers, and laser scanners to gather information about the terrain, elevation, boundaries, and features of a particular area. This data is then used to create detailed topographic maps, which are essential for various purposes like urban planning, infrastructure development, and environmental assessments. What sets Ram Puri apart from other topographical surveyors is his attention to detail and commitment to accuracy. He understands the importance of providing accurate data to his clients, as it forms the foundation for any construction or development project. By conducting thorough surveys and using the latest technology, Ram Puri ensures that his clients have access to reliable information that can guide their decision-making process. Scon Design, under the leadership of Ram Puri, has successfully completed numerous topographical surveys for a wide range of projects. Whether it's a small residential plot or a large-scale commercial development, they have the expertise to handle any project with utmost professionalism. Their team of experienced surveyors meticulously analyzes the collected data and produces comprehensive reports that are easy to understand for their clients. Topographical surveyors are essential in the building and land development industries. Ram Puri is a well-known topographical surveyor who has had a considerable impact on his industry. Ram Puri has built a solid reputation as an authority in the field of performing precise and thorough topographical surveys because to his years of training and experience. His business, Scon Design, is well renowned for its dedication to producing solutions of the highest caliber. To ensure accurate measurements and data collecting during their assessments, Ram Puri and his team at Scon Design are outfitted with the most recent technology and equipment. To learn more about the topography, elevation, boundaries, and other elements of a certain area, they employ cutting-edge tools like total stations, DGPs receivers, and laser scanners. Detailed topographic maps, which are necessary for a variety of tasks like urban planning, infrastructure development, and environmental evaluations, are then produced using this data. Ram Puri's dedication to precision and attention to detail set him apart from other topographical surveyors. He is aware of how crucial it is to give his clients reliable data because it serves as the basis for any construction or development project. Ram Puri